Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
This video is to demonstrate setting our set arrival departures on the transport from the load board. There's a couple different ways we can do this. You can simply click on the blue button. This will open up our actual arrival departure and save. And now we can see that this load is in transit. We also can mark the checkbox to the left. Select the action to mark pickup completed. You can choose current time, early time, late time, or a manual entry. I'm going to say early time, update. And now you can see this load has also been marked in transit. I accidentally hit that twice, so it selected it twice. And you can do the same with the delivered. I'm also going to show you can click into the activities where you have the set arrival departure for each event. Or if you click on the blue button from here, it will open up your pickup and drop set arrival departures. And save. And close. Yes, we know we have not marked all of the event activities. So now we have all 3 loads in transit. I can select the checkbox and mark delivered, which would be the same as the set arrival departure for the second event, your drop event. I'm going to use current again and update. And now this load will show delivered. There we go. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.